Hi everyone, I'm Harry. Today I bought a Samsung SSD which I want to put in my laptop just behind me. So I'll unbox it and let's see. The box looks very cool. It's just black and orange, something in the back, and that's all. I bought it from MediaMarkt in Poland and it cost me 309 zloty. Now it's time to unbox it. Let's use our knife and open it. Okay. I don't want to break it, so we got some installation guide and warranty statement, something like that. You can see something not important. Here's our SSD. Ooh, it's just black. Oh, okay. Okay, so it looks like this. 500 gig. Side, front. It's just very cool. Before that, first thing I want to show you is my current disk speed. So let's the application which I'm using is I don't remember actually. So it's Blackmagic. All right, and let's start. Our write is like 260. Read is 471. It's not that slow, but it's not fast. And it can be slower, just like that. Not very good. Alright, this is my current disk space. I don't want install, I don't want to move whole system to a new drive. I will just reinstall the High Sierra, or maybe Monterey if you want to look. If you want to install a new High Sierra, you need a USB stick like this, bigger than 8 GB. I think it's good. And we need to plug it in laptop. Wait it to show up, then format it and rename it to my volume, which I already did it. Normally we choose first one, not APFS, and GUID, okay. And then we need to go Apple website. We need to search for download older version of Mac OS. Yeah, and here Mac OS High Sierra. It will lead me to the App Store and just click download. While downloading, we are going to search create bootable Mac OS installer. Just choose what version you want to create. Like I have High Sierra, so later we will need to copy this to the command line, just like here. So now we're just waiting for the High Sierra to download. After installing, this window will appear on your screen. We'll close it and just check if it's in your application folder. It's there, so we can copy the command and just paste here. It will ask for password, so let's type. It's invisible, so. And he'll ask if we wish to continue. It selected my volume, so exactly our USB stick. So let's press enter or type yes. I mean, oops. Why? We need to type Y and enter, not only enter. So it will erasing disk and then copy file. Just wait. Alright, it said it's done. The name of the volume or USB drive will be install macOS High Sierra. And now we can just click this. Let's just close our laptop. First thing we need to remove is the some screws on the back. We can open it. It's very important to unplug the battery, so it's here. Now it's okay. You can see my current disk is adata, and I have another disk here because I removed the DVD reader. We can just take SSD out. We need to unplug this one first and unscrew more thing here. I'll just try to remove it. Let's take this down. Be careful to not break the cable. Okay. Let's change this to our Samsung disk. Then take Samsung and we put it on back again. I think it's like this. So wait, no, actually no. Alright, so I think it's done. Let's just put it back in. Let's connect the cable. Oh no, hope it will not break. Actually, put left side first, then right side. Just screw in. So it's done. Pretty easy. We can now reconnect the power cable. And boot from USB. Let me close the plate first. Okay, let's turn on and see is it live. First we need to plug the USB. Then just boot, press Alt. Okay, install macOS High Sierra. boot from USB is very slow, so it will take 2 minutes or 3. It's okay. I don't know what it's doing, but alright. Looks like I didn't break my laptop, so we need to format the Samsung disk first. Show everything. Okay, Samsung SSD 870 EVO. Okay. Format as I don't know. So APFS and GUID. Now we can exit and install. You know what? I actually don't want to install new High Sierra, so I'm not going to install. Just kidding, we'll just continue. So we'll wait something like 20 or 30 minutes to let it finish. After the computer reboot itself, and it will continue install. We need to wait more here. Finally, we can set up. Alright, we have a lot storage now.